My name is Leah Way. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to give you several strategies on how you can use your equity in your current home today so that you can make some extra coins, not pay taxes. And I'm even going to throw in there some grants that you can use, because grants are not just for first-time home buyers. Yes, you can be a repeated buyer and still get some grants. Move up strategy number 1, use your equity as your down payment. This is the most common path. A lot of people use this when they're selling their home. Like I said, whatever the home is worth, you could pull that equity out and you could sell your home, and you're making that extra coin from it. You're pulling out that equity, and that is your cash money that you could do whatever you want with. Most Philly homeowners do not know that lenders do offer move up programs. All you have to do is ask for a move up program. These move up programs require a low down payment assistance and flexible debt to income requirements. Even if you didn't sell yet, you still can qualify for this move up program. This is for people that want to stay in the city and also upgrade their lifestyle. Move up strategy number 2, buy before you sell. And yes, we're talking about bridge loans. So basically, you can pull out that loan from your house. You just let the lender know, hey, I'm looking to buy another house, but I did not sell yet. And basically, these are short-term loans. You can use it to upgrade your home and sell later. So this is really good for when you want to build more of that equity out. So that way you can have your house be the best of the best and be at the highest price. So you could use that bridge loan instead of pulling out a HELOC or whatever. You could do a bridge loan. So that way you can fix up your house, use those funds to make your house the most equitable, and then you can sell and make the most of your money. I think that bridge loans are really, really great. A lot of people do not take advantage of them. And this is perfect if you're in a neighborhood like East Passyunk or Brewery Town, because these inventories move really fast. So you want to make sure that you move really fast if you're trying to get a home out there. Move up strategy number 3, use your 1031 exchange. So this is great for people that already own a rental or want to turn their current home into a rental, and you don't have to pay taxes. And then you can use it to sell your investment property and roll in all the profits to have a new one. This is how Philly investors move from small row homes to multi-unit and to higher cash flow without losing any money in taxes. So basically, you can just invest in another property and not pay 0 in taxes. Move up strategy number 4, turn your home into a rental space. So if the numbers don't make sense, you could just keep the current home. That way, landlords, they have tax deductions such as depreciation benefits. That makes us even more stronger. And then also you could still use that rental property and get a new property and just use a DSCR loan into the property. And I will make that a whole separate video explaining on different types of loans. Let's talk about tax benefits for repeated buyers. And like I said, most people think that this is only for first-time home buyers. That's totally not true, especially in Pennsylvania. We have the Pennsylvania Homestead Exemption Program. That's when you save your property taxes on your next home. So say if you want to upgrade on your home, but you really like your taxes to stay the way that they are, then you can move into your new home and still continue to pay those same taxes. You have mortgage interest and property tax deductions. This still applies when you are upgrading your home. If you lived in your home for 2 out of the 5 years, you can avoid paying taxes on your profit. entirely. So if you're making profit from your Philadelphia home, you do not have to pay on those taxes. Let's talk about granted programs, even if you're not a first-time home buyer. And what I like to talk about is Keys to Equity program. This program is designed to help Philadelphians buy in the neighborhoods that are revitalizing. So it's not restricted to first-time home buyers. You want to be able to move, but you still want to stay in Philadelphia. You want to take advantage of this program. Some local credit unions do offer a repeat down payment assistance. So a lot of first-time home buyers take advantage of the grants for down payment assistance, but also when you are a repeated buyer, you can take advantage of down payment assistance from a local credit union. And then we have employer-backed grant. You can still go through your employer. So most of this is happening within universities, hospitals, schools, like major Philly employers such as SEPTA, Temple, University of Pennsylvania. Even if you owned before, you can use these employer grants. But like I said, it does depend on the employer. Just ask your employer about these grants. The best neighborhoods to move up in between 2025 and 2026 is Brewerytown, Port Richmond, Northeast, Roxborough / Manayunk. I also want to include some parts of North Philly, such as Fishtown and North Liberties. So I just want to talk about some of the myths that Philadelphia owners say that's stopping them from using their equity. And that's number one, I have to save all over again, which is so not true. Like I said, you have an asset, you use that asset as collateral, and you can pull money literally straight from your asset. So you don't have to save again. The money is literally here. You're literally sitting in it. So second myth, I can't buy until I sell. And that's where those bridge loans come in. That is so not true. You can definitely still be in your home while looking for a home. And then myth number three, first-time home buyers get incentives, which is not true. And we talked about how you can get an incentive and grant, even if you own before. If you already live in Philly or thinking about upgrading, let's talk. I'm doing a free equity and move up analyst. So what that means is that I'm going to tell you what your home is worth, what you should do with your home, either as is or what upgrades that you could do on your home to bring out that full potential, what programs that you will qualify for, also whether to move up, do a rental, do a 1031 exchange strategy, and which one is best and what will be more affordable for you. DM me on Instagram, or you can comment below and let me know that you are interested in this equity and move up service. And it's absolutely free, no obligation. This is the Philly Upgrade with Leah Way, aka the Realtor Way. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This helps my channel grow more and more, so that way I can give you more hip tips on information. Also, I don't just work in Philly. I do work in Bristol, Montgomery counties, Delaware County. So if you guys have any questions on any of those areas as well, make sure that you hit me up, and then you guys can look at my Google reviews so you know that I do work in those areas. But I will see you on my next video. Bye.